welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Violet here, and today I am going to be reacting to another Silvio Santos video in the middle of the freaking night. Like, guys, I'm low-key kind of scared because I've reacted to like what, 4 of his videos so far, and 2 out of the 4 were scary as hell, and I'm not about to not be able to go to sleep tonight. So hopefully the one I'm about to react to doesn't affect me too much. It is a scary one, so hopefully I'm good. It's Silvio Santos subway zombie prank. I have seen this comment, like every single Silvio Santos video I've made, under the comment section I always see people saying react to Silvio Santos zombie prank. So I'm like, okay, the day has come. I'm excited. Silvio Santos still remains #1 savage of all time. So let's see if we can keep this thing going on for a long time and be a savage for this video as well. Let's see how savage he is for this prank video. I am ready. I'm excited but nervous and scared at the same time. But we're gonna go through this together, okay? We're gonna go through this together. So, Silvio Santos subway zombie prank. Let's get this show on the road. I hear that Walking Dead soundtrack in there. Okay, okay. I love that show, by the way, so I guess I should be fine, right? Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why am I laughing already? Okay. Guys, I can't stop smiling. I'm actually excited to see what happens. Oh my, can you imagine you're trapped? Like there's nowhere to go.
Próxima parada, Estação Central, Chico da Silva.
She already looks antsy, like she already looks like she's trying to get off as soon as possible. First of all, I wouldn't want to get out. Do you see what that platform looks like? There's like no lights. It's dark. I was like, it's okay. I'll just sleep on the subway till morning. How about that?
Senhores passageiros, estamos passando por problemas técnicos. Nos desculpe pelo transtorno. E daqui a alguns minutos no ar.
No, guys, that's when you just start praying. You just get on your knees and you just pray. Pray to whatever you believe in. Just make sure you pray, because that cannot end up good. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh. No. She got up on the chair. What's the chair gonna do for you, lady? Lady, if those people got in, that chair isn't gonna stop. Oh my god. Tears in her eyes, guys. I will actually like have a self-inflicted aneurysm just from that. I'll just be like, oh, you'll just start having a seizure. I don't know. What would you do? Guys, this is a serious question. What would you do? Like, what would you do? What would you do? What would I do? realistically, what would I do? What would you do? What would you do? It's in there! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! No, no, guys, no, 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 no. I feel like the one from Get Out.
No.
No, no, why? Why? Oh my god. Oh my god. See, at least this one is 2 people. The other one, she was alone. Like, she was alone. I see 2 people sitting there. That girl, oh my, poor woman. She's traumatized. There's no way, prank or not, you'll be traumatized. Like, guys. Like, what would you do if you heard that? I would just be like, help you for what? What is attacking you? Look at her, she's like... Oh my god. Oh my god. They are actually pretty calm. Like, she's not calm. The girl in the black is like freaking out a bit more. But the girl in the pink, she's just kind of chilling. Oh my god. That's when I'll actually just be done. That's when I'll actually be done. Oh my god. No, guys, but the girl in the pink, at that moment, will you be like, my life is over? Or would you realize that it's a prank because they're not really doing anything? Or would you just be like, I'm done. I'll just lie on the floor and be like, take me. Guys, see, they got more sensible. They saw how much the first one freaked out. They made sure there was more people on the subway. Like, how are you gonna only have one person going through that alone? Like, at least these people have another person to go through it with them. See, she's already looking kind of nervous. She's like... Oh my god. Oh my god. She's right down on the floor. Right move. I want to see them. I'm like... I can't. Sorry guys, I didn't. In the other one, the woman on the ground always came from the opposite side. That shocked me. I didn't expect it. She's hitting her. He grabbed her feet. He grabbed her feet. Get them. Yes. That's what the rest of them should be doing. She left them for dead. She left them for... She passed out. Guys, no. What did I always say? Guys, what did I always say? I'm like, one day, Silvio Santos is gonna make someone pass out or die. What did I say? She passed out, guys. Guys, her heart couldn't take it. She passed the hell out. She passed out. She's like, just take me. See? It's just so much to say. The first girl left them for dead. The second girl left her for dead, and she's like, well, I'm the only one left. Let me just pass out. It will make the process easier. I won't feel any pain. They can eat me in peace without me struggling. Like, guys, I'm actually dead. She passed out. Congrats, Silvio Santos. You have made someone pass out from your pranks. Congratulations. Stand ovation. Stand ovation. You made someone pass out for your prank. That's how savage Silvio Santos is. Guys, like, I always say this in every video I've reacted to so far of Silvio Santos, that he's a savage. But hands down, this is the most savage prank I have ever seen. Like, it was already savage enough, and then they had to go and open the doors. Like, I thought they were just gonna be outside scaring them. They actually freaking opened the doors. The one barrier that these people thought they had was taken away from them. Wow, that was good. That was a good prank. I can't even lie. That was probably, probably the best prank I've seen in my life. If Silvio Santos can top this, then they need to make a prank awards if they don't have one already, and give him an award, because these pranks are just too good. My voice is pretty much gone. My cheeks are freaking hurting from laughing so much, but it was worth it. Silvio Santos killed it once again. I have to give him a good hand. Like, God, Silvio Santos killed it. If you like this video as much as I enjoyed reacting to it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any other videos you want me to react to, and subscribe for more videos coming your way. You can also go ahead and pound that notification bell to get notifications whenever I put up a new video. And I'll see you back here next time, guys. Bye.